Alright guys, well welcome back. We're about to start the oil change on the 944, and yeah, I'm gonna definitely need a new power steering pump. Look what it just did. I turned, there was no power steering, and then all of that came out. So yeah, I'm gonna need a new power steering pump. Awesome. So we got the oil draining out now. That oil shot out way farther than I thought it was going to. Yeah, and it looks like it needed changed fairly badly, I think. I don't know, I can't really see it when it's in the gravel or on that 5-quart oil jug. But yeah, it's coming out. Also, found out what's wrong with my power steering pump. Look at this. Fun times. Filter on there now. Haven't filled it up yet. We have to go get Liam's donor car and take it to the shop where Liam's actual car is getting fixed. So we'll be back. Well, I haven't driven this puppy in a mighty fine long time. It's like 80 degrees out. Why does it need heated? Alright. Not used to diesels, but okay. Let's throw this sucker into a higher gear here. We're scooting now, boys. This steering needs seriously aligned, because that is straight. Whee!
It's like you're going to have to turn when you're going out. Follow it. He's going out that way, right? He's going that way.
He's going this way. So I'm basically backing out here.
Back up. Ease your power.
Okay.
Up, keep going. Go that way. Okay, start swinging, Lee. Following him out.
Bumper's coming off.
Not as hard. Oh, we see we got you somewhat lined up. Hold up.
You're pretty lined up from here, it looks like.
Go. Over this way, pad. Oh. You gotta call him on early. Okay, go. Great.
That worked really well.
Keep going.
Let's get out. Oh.
Yeah, I would if I could, but I'm kind of stuck, so I'm gonna have to pull a Burt Reynolds or Bo Duke to get out of here.
Oh yes. Huh?
Here,
Break your windshield
You
while
want to see
you're
my
at it.
horn? How great it works?
Yes. Wow. Amazing.
I want the steering wheel though. Look at it. Ooh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I want this steering wheel because it's really nice, and I'm gonna get it on my car. So we just have to get a wheel puller to yonk it off.
To yonk it off?
To yonk it off.
I suppose I'll like, oh, it'd help if you wouldn't lock yourself in. Well, it's locked. Oh, I forgot you have to pull it up really far.
There you go. Hey! Alright, I'm getting out of here. Alright, she isn't going anywhere. She's in first gear. So.
Okay, so got all the oil in it, letting it run a few minutes just to make sure I don't need to top it off a little bit more. This little 2.5 liter inline 4 takes 6.3 quarts of oil. So yeah, it's a lot. And also you can kind of see what's wrong. That's the power steering belt right there. You can see how much it's shaking, and even more so underneath here. Look at that. You can see the pump moving. So what needs to be done here is I need to see what's going on and why that's moving so much. Hopefully it's just a loose bolt. Hopefully it's just a bolt that came off that I can just put a new one on there. Yeah, hopefully I don't need a whole new power steering fluid pump yet, but I might need one. I'm not sure. But yeah, just letting that letting that run for a few minutes. That way I can see if I need to top it off or not. But we do have Liam's car over here. Now the donor car, the MR2, as you guys know, he was rear-ended on interstate by a semi-truck in his actual MR2. But yeah, this is his MR2 right here, the donor. Yeah, they got the whole back end taken off of it, basically the whole interior taken off as well. But unfortunately, I didn't really get to help them with it because I've been busy a lot. Working, spending time with my girlfriend, stuff like that, working on my car. But yeah, this is Liam's donor car. You guys saw it when we first went to go see it, but yeah, look at all that. He's got a lot of it taken out. So yeah, this is basically going to be stripped of this back piece right here because the body shop guy said he could not save this. He'll patch up this rust here. Yeah, he's basically going to take this off and put it onto Liam's car because he couldn't save how much it was just bashed in from the semi. So yeah, that's what's going on with Liam's MR2. And let's go see my 944. It's been running for a few minutes. Shut it off, check the oil, see if I need to fill it up anymore. Then we'll look at that power steering pump a little bit more. All right guys, so oil change is complete. I just checked it. The oil is full on the dipstick. We are good to go. Now it's time to look at this power steering pump and see what in the world is going on with it. Hell, rocks are painful. Because, yeah, it moving that much is not good at all. It needs to be like tensioned out to here and it's resting there. That's really not good. Okay, so I think I may have found the problem. So you see back there, there's a bolt. Well, up here there isn't, like at all. And it's really loose back right in there. You can see how it's moving. So I might just need a new bolt there. I don't know. I'm gonna look up to see how this is actually mounted, to see if that's what's causing it to be so loose and move around so much. Yeah, that's what it looks like it might be. Okay, so I looked up a few things. I don't think there's supposed to be a turnbuckle attached to it. I don't think that's actually on there. I hope it's actually on my car. I just sat down real weird. Let's spin around. Oh boy. I should take this down. It'd be a lot easier. Yeah. There's no turnbuckle there connecting the pump to the engine to keep it secure. Awesome. So that's why it's just moving around all over the place. So yeah, look at that bolt right there. That is literally not attached to anything. It's not even holding anything together. There's supposed to be a turnbuckle attached to that to actually like keep it steady. Awesome. All right, so well, it looks like this is gonna be off the road for a while until I can figure out where I can buy one of those at, or if I can find something to actually support that. I also need one of those bolts up there. That is actually a thing that I need. As I mean, obviously there's a like a thread on there, so there is a bolt that's supposed to go on there. But yeah, I basically need to find something to stabilize this. Until then, this is gonna be sitting here. Awesome. Well, now we found the next problem with the 944. This is the first breakdown since I believe the whole water pump breaking issue. Huh. That was November or December, something like that. So yeah, first breakdown in 6 or 7 months. This thing lasted over half a year without a breakdown. That's pretty good. But yeah, this is the next breakdown. I mean, other than the exhaust, I don't really consider the exhaust a breakdown though. It just kind of fell apart. But yeah, this is definitely considered a breakdown. I need to find out if I can get one of those turnbuckles and one of those nuts. If I can't, I gotta hope the new power steering pump comes with one, or I need to figure out some other way to secure it. New power steering pump's gonna be my last option though, because those are pretty expensive. And it's fine for now. It only leaks a very little bit. The only reason why it was leaking a lot over there is because of how, like, the power steering pump's supposed to be sitting like this. With that belt, it's like this. So those lines aren't actually like lined up with the thing properly. I'm pretty sure that's why. It's not actually the pump that's leaking. It's the lines going into it that aren't supposed to be the way they are that's leaking. So yeah, basically, I'm gonna see if I can find a bolt, see if I can find a turnbuckle. If I can't, I'm gonna find some other way to secure it. If I can't, hope for the best. Get a new power steering pump. Hopefully it comes to something. If it doesn't, then I'm really gonna have to find something to secure it with. But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. We just basically worked on the 944 the whole video, and we got Liam's car down here. But anyway, if you guys like stuff like this, you want more content on the 944, it's definitely coming. We gotta get that power steering pump fixed. If you guys like that kind of stuff, if you like this kind of stuff, if you like driving, anything like that, go ahead and subscribe for more content like this and more adventurous than this, I guess I could say. But yeah, make sure you leave a like on the video. Leave any comments down in the comment section down below what you guys thought of the video, any suggestions, anything like that. Anything you recommend for allowing that power steering pump to not just move all over the place. Or if you know of somewhere I can get one of those collars, maybe I can look in a junkyard for a 944. Hopefully I can find one. I doubt I can. They're pretty rare around here. There's like 2 others around here. There's another red NA 944 and there's a red turbo 944. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. See you guys in the next one.